Hello, my name is Dwight Moore, Vice President of Hunter Farms in High Point, North Carolina, and I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to visit our production facility. In the 1980s, Harris Teeter bought Hunter Farms from the Hunter family in Charlotte, North Carolina. In 1990, they purchased this plant from Borden's Dairy. And then in 2002, we shut down the Charlotte Dairy and consolidated all operations here in High Point. We produce milk and ice cream in this plant. About 36 million gallons annually are produced in this facility. About 4 million of that is ice cream and the rest is milk and milk products. Hunter Farms is located on Main Street in High Point, North Carolina. We employ approximately 132 associates who bottle milk, make ice cream, yogurt, sour cream, in all different sizes for Harris Teeter and our outside customers. The average truck brings in about 5,500 gallons of milk and is stored in a silo that'll hold up to 50,000 gallons. We purchase milk from 3 milk cooperatives. One's located in Reston, Virginia, and the others are located in Tennessee. When the milk is ready to be processed, we pump it from the raw milk silo to the pasteurizing system. And this machine runs around 6,000 gallons per hour. We heat the milk up to 170 degrees and hold it for 15 seconds by law. And then we cool it back down to 32 to 33 degrees. And then, as part of the process, we homogenize the product, which is nothing more than breaking the fat apart so it doesn't rise to the top of the product when it is stored in the stores in the bottom. After the milk is processed, we then decide whether we're going to make ice cream mix or bottle it for sale in the stores. If it's going to be bottled, then it's pumped to the fillers, where we actually we have 4 fillers bottling milk, 2-gallon fillers, 2 half-gallon fillers. The product is bottled, capped, cased, and then goes into the cooler for palletizing and then onto a truck to our distribution centers. If the product's to be used for ice cream, we then blend it with the cream, sugars, and other ingredients necessary to make an ice cream mix, and then is processed and pumped over to the ice cream production facility. At that point, we move the mix into a flavor vat where we add the ingredients such as coloring, vanilla flavoring, or whatever the formula and recipe calls for. The product is then pumped through the freezer, frozen, and goes to the filler to be packaged and sent to the freezer. Freezing ice cream is almost instantaneous. We can process about 1,800 gallons of finished product per hour. Then it is filled and then it goes to the freezer where it's maintained at about a -40 degrees until it's ready to be shipped to the stores. One of the new lines we have in our operation is our cultured operation, which is yogurt and sour cream. In the video you'll see one of our newest members of the staff, our new robot, is actually loading the product into a corrugated tray and then overwrapped with plastic and palletized. We actually do not produce our own milk bottles. We purchase those from a company in Graham, North Carolina. Depending on the size of the filler, it can either run from 115 bottles per minute to 65 per minute on gallons to about 80 half gallons per minute per filler. You see the operators filling the bottles. They monitor cap levels, make sure we have caps, they weigh the bottles, put the labels, and the operator also makes sure that the product is cased properly before it goes into the milk cooler. The ice cream carton is supplied by a company in Kansas City, Missouri. They ship the cartons and lids into us here, where we put them into the filler, and as you can see on the carousel, the package is filled, capped, and then it goes to the bander to have a band applied before it's bundled and sent to the freezer. Thanks for touring our plant today. If you need more information, you can visit us on our website, www.hunterfarms.com.